Racing just is started. We have Colonial Star rushing up on the outside. Director Santerki Buenos Aires in the middle portion, running by the release Fighter in the wind, then followed by Regina's Choice, a single flower Danjugan Island, while Casablanca is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Colonial Star, Morlink and Ihab. Buenos Aires in second, moving up down on the inside is Fighter in the wind, then on the outside is Director Santurki, then followed by Single Flower. Next in line is Danjugan Island. Regina's Choice comes next, while Casablanca is still racing in last. Back to the leader now, we have Fighter in the wind, takes command by Morlink. Moving up on the outside is Director Santurki, then followed by Colonial Star. Buenos Aires is done in port, and here comes Single Flower, now trying to get closer in fifth. Casablanca comes next, and on the outside is Danjugan Island, while Regina's Choice is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Fighter in the win by about 2 lengths, and in second, Director Santurki, then followed by Single Flower. Last 100 meters, we have Fighter in the win. Single Flower is on the outside, and finally it's going to be Single Flower, Fighter in the wind. Then comes Director Santurki, Casablanca, Danjugan Island, Regina's Choice.
For race number 1, ito pang ilan to? Pang third favorite, entry number 2, Single Flower, skipper by Ed Lumagi. Yan po ang ating unofficial winner. Mas segundo yung nalyamadong Fighter in the Wind 1, Nueva Directors Hunter Key 5, Casablanca.